The numbers increased in 3 weeks what it took 6 weeks last year during our surge. So it's pretty, I'd say almost scary how quickly the numbers came up. The challenge though is now with this Delta variant, we are seeing younger patients. I think this weekend of the patients in the ICU, 60 to 65% were under the age of 40. And that's shocking compared to last year. When you look at the demographics of the people getting the vaccine, it's the folks that are 50 and above that are accepting the vaccine and getting it, and the folks that are 49 and below that aren't. And so naturally, when you look at the demographics of who's being hospitalized or who has more new cases, it's that demographic that's not getting vaccinated. And so we still see those folks for sure, but it's a much larger number of younger patients. Before, I think last year, if you said, hey, we got a 35-year-old in the ICU, and I'm like, wow, that's, that was, we would notice that. Now to say, at least half in the ICU is under the age of 40, that gets everybody's attention. We keep asking and pleading with people to reconsider and get vaccinated. It's not a political thing, and I think that's a big part of what's going on down here. And people see this a little politicized, and if it's that side that's pushing vaccines, then I'm just not going to get a vaccine just because I disagree with them. And I keep telling people, while we're busy fighting with each other, this thing's picking us off one by one. It doesn't take sides. It's has no political affiliation. It's not red. It's not blue. It's a virus, and if we don't protect ourselves, we're going to do a lot of damage to our community. I feel like last year, this time, it was healthcare heroes, and everybody was celebrating and bringing food to the hospital and doing prayer vigils and stuff. And now everyone's like, hey, the lake's open, let's go there. And it's like, no, we're still here doing this. I heard even on the news this morning, someone said, something post-pandemic. And I was like, we're not post. We're still in the middle of this. And I can tell just people come to these spots like Southwest Missouri and look at these hospitals, and the folks that are caring for these patients know we are not post-pandemic.